kind of plant is that? Hey Siri!
Hi, Bonnie.
Oh, hi Leslie!
What are you up to?
I was just trying to figure out what kind of plant that is. I was going to look it up on the web.
Oh, Bonnie, don't use the internet. You can be a nature detective.
A nature detective?
Sure, you look for clues and then put them all together and you can figure out what plant it is on your own.
Oh, that sounds fun. Okay, I'll give it a try. Can you help me?
Sure. Hey, you were looking at this plant over here, and that is not a tree. It is a banana, but it's not a tree. The banana plant is one of the biggest herbs in the world.
Oh, I see.
So trees have something that cover their trunks to protect them that this banana does not have. Can you tell what it is?
The trees have bark.
Right, good.
So it doesn't have bark, so it's not a tree then?
Right.
Oh, I would have thought it was a tree.
Nope, it's big, but it's not a tree.
I see, okay.
Do you think you can find a tree in here?
That's a tree.
Great job, Bonnie. How can you tell?
Because it has bark to protect its trunk, and it has branches.
Right. That's being a great detective. Did you know you can also tell what kind of plant it is by the leaves?
Oh, really? I see so many different kinds of leaves. Why are there so many different kinds?
Well, Bonnie, there's so many different leaves in here because there's so many different types of plants. The leaves are really important for the plants because they make the food for the plant. They also have certain adaptations that help, and like this leaf right here, look how big it is.
Wow.
Look at all the holes in the plant.
Oh my.
It's commonly called a Swiss cheese plant because of all those holes.
Huh.
But those holes have a purpose. They help sunlight get to the plants below. They help water drip through the leaves to get to the plants below. And water and wind will go through these holes and then it won't destroy the leaf.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Well, follow me because I have another one to show you that's really cool.
Ooh, okay.
Hey, Bonnie, here's another big leaf. The leaf blocks the rain from getting down to the dirt and the roots of that plant and the other plants.
Oh.
So this leaf has a drip tip, and any rain that lands on this leaf will flow off the leaf and go down to the ground below.
Oh, would you look at that? Oh, wow. Okay, so if plants and trees have different leaves and stems or trunks, does this mean they have different roots too? And can that help us identify what type of plant it is as well?
Sure, you're being a great detective now. Follow me and we'll look at some roots. Oh, Bonnie, look at this one. There are roots all along this vine.
Oh, wow.
So as this vine grows, it roots itself to the ground, or it can climb a tree and hold on to the tree trunk with its roots.
Oh my, and there's so many roots on it all along.
There are a lot of roots on this one.
Huh.
Follow me and I'll show you another kind.
Okay.
Hey, Bonnie, take a look at these roots right here. These are called aerial roots and don't even go into the ground at all.
What?
I know. They get everything they need for the plant from the air.
Oh, wow.
Pretty cool. Look in the pond and you can see how the roots of the nearby plants have expanded into the water and they don't even have to work to get water for the plant.
Oh, wow. So they just live right there in the pond.
Yep.
Huh. This is so fun. All these plants are so different.
They are. I have something else to show you too. Some plants have flowers.
Okay.
And one of the ways you can find out what the flower is by counting the petal. Look at this. See this flower here?
Oh, yeah.
How many petals does it have? 1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5.
5. Huh. If you take a look at the key that you have, you can find what group of plants this is in.
Oh, okay. So that's another way then to tell what kind of plant it is.
Right.
Awesome.
Great job, Bonnie.
Thanks. This is fun.
I have one more thing to show you.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. So Bonnie, this is the last group of plants I want to show you.
Okay.
These are ferns,
Oh.
and they are cool plants. The leaves are called fronds, and they don't have any flowers, but they still need to reproduce, and they have what's called spores.
Oh, look at all those little dots.
Yes, look at them all. They're all filled with spores, and when they get released in the air, they fall on the ground and make a new plant.
Huh. Okay.
This is one type of fern. Each type of fern has its own types of spores, and this is a bird nest fern. And look at those spores. They're in straight lines instead of little dots.
Okay, so it's the same thing as those, but they're just different shape because it's a different plant.
Right,
Ah.
right. Great job.
Oh, thanks, Leslie. This is so fun. I'm going to go try and look at more plants and use my skills, okay?
Good job. And you can use your detective skills to do activity 1.